11 amazing foods for those over 50. As you reach this stage of life, you might notice changes in your body. You may feel your vigor diminishing or experience a certain regression in mental clarity. You might also observe that your injury recovery has become more prolonged or that previous physical issues are resurfacing. These phenomena are your body's warnings, signaling the need to review and improve your dietary choices. Adopting a balanced diet can bring a significant boost to your daily routine, revitalizing your energy. This nutritional shift is also a shield against common mature-age ailments such as heart problems and diabetes. So what foods make up a nourishing nutritional plan for those over 50? How can you identify the most favorable options to maintain your health at a high level? We are here to clear your doubts and be your guide. We will present a selection of 11 foods that are key to robust health for those in this life phase. In addition to including more fruits and vegetables in your menu, we offer a diverse range of options that can help you preserve the youth of your body and mind after 50. Get ready to understand the importance of these foods and the positive impact they will have on your overall health. Number 1. Carrot. This root of Asian origin is all good for health. The components of the carrot are exceptional: carotenoids, potassium, fiber, and antioxidants, a combination of nutrients that promotes various health benefits. Its consumption increases saliva production, facilitating digestion. Therefore, eating carrots regularly can help prevent gastric ulcers and other digestive problems. As a source of a powerful antioxidant called beta-carotene, carrots also give a helpful boost to maintaining skin health, including helping to prevent damage caused by the action of UV rays. And there are benefits of carrots for hair, nails, and eyes. This is thanks to the beta-carotene that contributes to cell renewal. The vitamin A present in carrots is crucial for the proper functioning of the immune system, in addition to having an antioxidant action that takes care of the body from the inside out. The nutrients with antioxidant action present in this food work against free radicals, preventing degenerative processes such as premature aging and various diseases. The carotenoids responsible for the carrot's orange color also help to regulate blood sugar levels. Carrots contain a phytonutrient called falcarinol that reduces the risk of cancer and contributes to colon health. The beta-carotenes also help prevent the onset of cardiovascular diseases by inhibiting the oxidation process of bad cholesterol, LDL. Because of its antioxidant power, regular consumption of carrots helps prevent oxidative stress, which weakens nerve signaling and reduces cognitive function. In other words, carrots can help improve this function and reduce the risk of age-related memory problems and dementia. Number 2. Broccoli. This vegetable, loaded with nutritional qualities, provides an extensive list of vitamins and minerals crucial for the body. Broccoli is particularly notable for its high content of vitamins A, C, and K, which are essential for maintaining excellent health. This food is also abundant in fiber, supporting healthy digestion and promoting overall well-being. Broccoli is renowned for its rich antioxidant profile, agents linked to a range of health benefits, such as reducing cholesterol, fighting chronic diseases like cancer and diabetes, and supporting cardiovascular health. The power of broccoli extends to its ability to aid in detoxification, clearing the body of toxins through the liver. It prevents the accumulation of harmful substances, ensuring cellular protection throughout the body. Including broccoli in your diet is a smart choice to take advantage of its vast beneficial properties. This superfood is also an excellent source of compounds like sulforaphane, which promotes brain health and joint protection, thus broadening its range of action in disease prevention and physical health maintenance. Number 3. Sweet potato. Packed with nutrients, they are superfoods that play a fundamental role in maintaining health. Rich in vitamin A, these delights aid in maintaining sharp vision and glowing skin, acting as a beneficial food for ocular and skin health. They also contain vitamin C, which is essential for the recovery and maintenance of the body's tissues. The importance of sweet potatoes extends to their contribution of fiber. A serving can provide about 5 grams of this nutrient, promoting prolonged satiety and benefiting the digestive system. Such characteristics make sweet potato a valuable item in the diet for those seeking a healthy and balanced diet, with positive effects reflected in overall well-being. Number 4. Black beans. Black beans are a true nutritional treasure, offering a range of benefits that make them a valuable addition to any diet. With their low-fat content and high fiber concentration, they are ideal for those looking for healthy eating options. These legumes are also an excellent source of protein, essential for the support and maintenance of various vital functions in the body. In addition to being practical and easy to find, black beans are a regular presence on supermarket shelves. When choosing canned black beans, it's crucial to be mindful of the composition indicated on the labels. Always prefer those without additives, such as sugars or high amounts of sodium. Opting for low-sodium versions is advisable to maximize health benefits. By incorporating black beans into your recipes, you not only ensure the smooth functioning of your cardiovascular and brain systems, but also enjoy their versatility and rich flavor. Additionally, they are rich in minerals like magnesium and iron, and antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress, promoting even more robust health. Number 5. Eggplant. This versatile vegetable is a tasty and valuable addition to a balanced meal plan. It is not only an excellent source of dietary fibers, but is also loaded with vitamins A and C, essential for maintaining visual health. This plant is distinguished by its rich offering of potassium, essential in managing blood pressure and supporting cardiovascular health. It is enriched with antioxidants that defend the body against various forms of cancer, including prostate cancer, and flavonoids that combat cellular aging. Eggplant is known for its versatility in the kitchen, easily incorporated into recipes from baking to grilling to boiling. It also pairs well with various seasonings and is a key ingredient in Mediterranean cuisine, known for its positive effects on longevity and disease prevention. By introducing eggplant into your diet, you are not only delighting your taste buds with its unique texture and flavor, but also reaping a host of nutritional benefits. Let eggplant enrich your meals with its incredible health advantages. Number 6. Beets. Root vegetables like beets are truly beneficial, especially for those over 50, and are crucial for healthy eating. This vegetable is a nutrient powerhouse that justifies its place among the healthiest of foods. Beets are packed with betalains, potent antioxidants that not only protect cells from damage, but also offer defense against cancer. Betalains also neutralize damage caused by free radicals, often resulting from nutrient-poor diets. Moreover, as rich sources of potassium and magnesium, beets are essential for preventing health complications related to these minerals, such as cardiac arrhythmias, hypertension, muscle weakness, insomnia, and headaches. With a beneficial effect on the gastrointestinal tract, they soothe the stomach and act as prebiotics, feeding the healthy gut flora and ensuring efficient digestion. Incorporating beets into your diet balances nutrition and brings substantial health gains, ranging from antioxidant protection to improved digestive function. Engage in the richness of beets and allow them to contribute to your overall vigor and health. In addition, they are an excellent source of fiber, which contributes to intestinal regularity and may help in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, thereby benefiting glycemic control. Number 7. Wild salmon. This distinguished fish is celebrated for its rich nutritional profile that strengthens health, notably for its omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, which are essential for strong bones, effective immune defense, and a hearty heart. Wild salmon, due to its superior quality, should be preferred over farmed salmon. The latter may have a higher content of saturated fats than its wild counterpart, which has less fat and more nutritional value. According to the United States Department of Agriculture's National Nutrient Database, it is recommended to consume 2 servings of fish per week to reap its full benefits. By including wild salmon in your diet, you benefit from omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, ensuring well-being for bones, the immune system, and the heart. It is worth mentioning that wild salmon also provides antioxidants like astaxanthin, which contributes to eye health and may combat inflammation. Adopting wild salmon in your meals is an effective strategy to absorb essential nutrients and invest in longevity and cardiovascular health. Number 8. Cauliflower. If you've passed the 50-year mark and are in search of food choices that promote health and vigor, give cauliflower a chance, a true nutritional gem. Far from being just a side dish, cauliflower stands out for its flexibility in the kitchen, being perfect as a main dish when roasted with spices, such as olive oil and garlic, for a meal rich in flavor and health. Cauliflower transcends its humble reputation and reveals itself as a valuable nutritional resource loaded with vitamin C and antioxidant combat, aiding in the fight against aging signs and stimulating liveliness. Vitamin K, also present in cauliflower, is essential for blood clotting and bone health, making it an important ally for a population that may be susceptible to fractures. Innovate in the kitchen and transform your regular rice into cauliflower rice for a low-carbohydrate version, or by roasting florets until they are golden and crispy. thus offering an attractive alternative to traditional carbohydrates. This versatile star of the vegetable world can shine on its own or complement a variety of dishes, ensuring a balanced and enjoyable nutritional profile. Therefore, when preparing your next menu, consider cauliflower to add a healthy dose of flavor and vitality to your diet. Number 9. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are an extremely nutritious and versatile legume, offering numerous health benefits and making a great component of any diet plan. Their balanced content of proteins and fibers not only promotes a healthy digestive tract, but is also effective in weight loss regimes since proteins may increase satiety and help with weight control. Incorporating chickpeas into the diet is advantageous for heart health and can be strategic in preventing sarcopenia, the age-related muscle degeneration. This food is also a substantial source of magnesium, which plays a crucial role in maintaining bone density and preventing osteoporosis. Ideal for those wishing to decrease their intake of red meat, chickpeas are an excellent substitute, providing complete plant protein when combined with cereals. Easy to find in dried or canned form, they can be a great ingredient in a variety of recipes, from vegetarian burgers to salads and pastes like hummus. By adding chickpeas to your recipes, you benefit not just from their contribution to bone and muscle health, but also from their potential to regulate blood sugar and improve lipid profile due to their low glycemic index and content of soluble fibers. Embrace the culinary diversity of chickpeas to enrich your diet with tasty and nutritious dishes. Number 10. Ginger. This pungent and aromatic spice not only enriches cuisine with its distinctive flavor, but also contributes widely to health strengthening. Loaded with flavonoids and powerful antioxidants, ginger acts to safeguard the body against damage caused by free radicals. Its anti-inflammatory capacity is known for alleviating joint discomfort and reducing various inflammatory processes. Through revealing studies, it has become clear that ginger plays a preventive role in relation to serious illnesses, including certain types of cancer, cardiac complications, and even Alzheimer's disease, making it a valuable ally, especially for the over 50 age group. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, suggests a daily intake of up to 4 grams of fresh ginger to maximize its therapeutic effects without the risk of adverse effects. Furthermore, ginger facilitates digestion and enhances the assimilation of essential nutrients, functioning as a gastrointestinal stimulant. It presents as a flexible ingredient that can be enjoyed as a warm and welcoming tea, integrated into hot dishes like curry or stir-fry, or used to add a spicy touch to refreshing juices and smoothies. Introduce ginger into your diet to benefit from its healing properties and to elevate your meals with its exotic flavor and comprehensive health benefits. Number 11. Avocado. The avocado is an exceptional food, rich in beneficial fats, vitamins, and minerals, and it is an ideal addition to a balanced diet. This fruit stands out for its health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer, as well as its anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, avocado aids in slowing down aging, encouraging vitality and well-being. Incorporating avocados into your diet is practical, as they can be blended into smoothies, included in salads, or eaten in their natural form. However, attention should be paid to the amount consumed due to its high caloric content. A recommended serving is half an avocado daily to maintain nutritional balance and enjoy its attributes without exceeding the daily caloric needs. By valuing avocado in your diet, you take advantage of a rich source of fiber, contributing to digestive health and potassium, which is vital for muscle and nerve function, as well as benefiting skin health and regulating blood sugar levels. Enjoy this multifaceted fruit to enhance your nutrition and promote a healthier and longer life. Understand that the battle against aging is a collective journey, beginning with the plate in front of you, especially for those who have passed the 50-year mark. The good news is that there is a variety of foods capable of delaying the physical wear and tear brought by time and warding off diseases. It's never too late to reshape your food consumption and integrate gradual and lasting changes into your nutritional routine. Gift yourself the benefit of an extended, healthy life by emphasizing a balanced diet. The 11 foods we've discussed are practical, can easily be added to your daily menu, and are incredibly tasty. If items like broccoli or carrots have caught your interest, do not hesitate to incorporate them into your meals. If you find this video enlightening, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more wellness tips. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.